We've been waiting for this day for a little while. I've got some great news. We are going to ship bread. Not just any bread. This is our standard country sourdough here. This is a country sourdough miche. The term miche really refers to these large round form factors. It's almost 3 times the size of our standard loaf. And it's the kind of thing that will keep well through the 2-day shipping process. It's the kind of thing that will last you and your family for the week. Still freezes well, still performs well. This particular country sourdough is a reformulated edition that we brought to the menu about a year ago, featuring a local wheat field of Rouge de Bordeaux, which is an old French grain. We also have 2 different sourdough starters doing some work in here, both our wheat starter Harriet and our rye starter, adding a nice complexity of flavor and nuance. It's our best seller now in this large format. I'm also pleased to bring my absolute favorite bread on our menu to you via shipping. This is our Coruscant miche. It's our Coruscant sourdough reformulated into this larger form factor. This loaf is pretty special. We mill this old Persian grain. It's 5,000 years old, this grain. And after milling it, we make a scald out of it, which is like a porridge. We combine it with boiling water and then embed that porridge of Coruscant into a base sourdough formula. The resulting bread is super soft and tender. It's long lasting. It's really ideally suited for shipping. Now, how are we doing this? If you were a part of the pilot, then by the time you're viewing this video, we've already solved for shipping costs to bring them down, make them a little bit more affordable. We can send this bread to you anywhere in the US. We will ship it UPS 2-day in order to make sure that it's as fresh as possible. We've been testing with friends and family, and everybody wants more when they get some, so I imagine that will be you too. We're making sure that 2 days means 2 days, so depending on when you place your order in the week, we will only ship your bread out Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, meaning it will arrive to you Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, depending on when you order it through the week. Thus, we won't ship out Thursday or Friday or Saturday, because then 2 days becomes 4 or 5, and that defeats the purpose of freshness. I've done everything that I possibly know how to do to be able to get this bread to you in the same high quality as our customers here or our customers out at market would expect. The scald already did a lot to extend the shelf life. This Coruscant already lasts a couple days longer than our country sourdough. But then this large form factor lasts even longer. And so by the time you get it, you should be really happy with the result. So head to our website, proofmill.com, where we're also selling our flour for shipping and other little goodies like loms and things that we can share with you. And now pick up a loaf and enjoy it with your family. It's summertime here in Arizona, so it's our slower season. That means you're actively supporting our bakers and our millers and our team through our slow season when you order this bread. So really appreciate you giving us a try and look forward to getting your feedback on this brand new program. So in summary, country sourdough or Coruscant or both, proofmill.com.